going to be a short unboxing video of a new gimbal I've got for my phone. It is an iSteady X2 3-axis smartphone gimbal by Hohem. I'll put a link on. I've got this from Amazon and it was on Prime Day, so it was £62.80 from what I can remember. Now a couple of days before I was looking at them and they were £89. So when I saw it at that price I thought I'll try it. I've been looking for them anyway and I thought I've read a few reviews and it seems okay. I've never really had one before, so I thought I'd give it a try. So without further ado, you've got a little card there, you can see that there. It shows you how to set up and download. I've actually had a quick look at this and I've already downloaded an app and synced it to my phone. But basically what you get in the box is you get a little instruction book and you get a really nice carry case. Seems very good quality. The actual unit itself, you've got a little remote control. Seems quite nice. You've got like a little tripod, so if you want to stand it on the table. You have a charger lead. Same sort of charger lead, it's a C I believe, you get on a Samsung phone. Okay, and this is the actual gimbal. So all you do is unclip it and you've got like a little thumb turn there where you can tighten it up. A little rubber grip on the side there which feels quite nice. Right at the bottom there is where you screw this in. Okay. And you can actually stand it up. Or you can just shoot it in your hand. Now I've actually set this up before as well on my phone. But basically when you get this card here, if you just literally view that with your phone there, and it'll take you to the app store to download it. So let's just see if I can find it. Okay, so this is the actual app. So when you first get it, it'll start off, it'll all come up, and it is really simple. It just takes you through a couple of easy steps. You have to register to get an account, but other than that, it's quite easy to do. You've got a little button here where if you press and hold it, it will turn on and you'll see it spin. Once that's set up, you've got a little start button on your app, and then I don't know if you can see that or not. And when I turn this, the actual camera moves. See, you've got a little zoom button on the side there, so you can see the view screen there. You can actually see it zooms in and out. It is quite good actually. It's that extends. You've got a button on here. If you press that button, it does actually spin the little gimbal around there. You've got a little button there which starts it off while we're recording or take a picture. And the little remote control, I've not actually tried yet, so I might have to set this up, I don't know. Alright, okay, your little on and off button there, which you turn on, I believe. So you got up and down, left and right. As I say, I've not really played with remote control yet, so I might have to look into it itself. But you go a little down here and just spins it around. Now I've got a fold 3, so it doesn't actually fit right on here, so I'm actually making like a converter bracket. So I've bought some little bits and I'm going to make a little bracket, and I might actually put that online as well. But yeah, no, it does actually seem quite good, and I'll probably test it out next week and see how it performs. Thanks for watching. Please, if you can subscribe, that'll be much appreciated. And again, thanks for watching.